Do you know the easiest way to become a 6 to 7 figure earner is to become an IT expert? There is this powerful tool called SAP that is making people with no IT background or experience 6 to 7 figure earners. And that's what covers your entire full end-to-end procurement to payment cycle, right? That's what we said. And then for the requisition to payment cycle, I explained to you guys that this one has to do with when we create a purchase requisition manually.
Thank you so much, Prof. Henry. I want to say a big thank you to you for taking me through this amazing journey of SAP material management. I want to say thank you for your patience, for your simplicity in how you explain the different modules of SAP material management. For the last couple months during this training, the registration process was very, very easy. You make it very easy for me and my classmates, and I like the way the thoroughness of your class, the way you teach, your passion, it's impeccable. The class was not just configuration, like the way my thought process coming into this field, especially coming from a nursing background to an ERP system like SAP, material management to be more specific.
And when you become an SAP IT consultant, you can help big companies in manufacturing, in retail, in oil and gas, in aerospace and defense, even in automobile implement their IT solutions and get paid working remotely from any part of the world. Do you want to learn how to become an SAP consultant and transform your finances? Drop your questions in the comments, follow for more, and click on the link below for a free consultation. I'll be happy to help you become an SAP consultant in just 2 months.